Hello and welcome to the Newport News Public Library Baking Show. My name is Candice and joining me today is my lovely assistant Anne.
Hi Newport News. Today we are going to be baking Decadent Brownies.
Yes, these brownies are decadent because of the ingredients needed for this recipe. Lots of butter, lots of sugar, lots of eggs, and lots of cocoa powder. The first thing you want to do is melt 3 sticks of butter over medium heat. Once the butter is melted, you're going to remove that from the heat and you are going to add the butter to 2 cups of cocoa powder. Mix it together and then set it aside to let it cool, which we have already done here. And what do we do next?
We're going to whisk 6 eggs together, which we have already done, and pour them in.
Okay, so let's go ahead and pour in our 6 whisked eggs. Alright, and I'm going to stir that up. And your eggs are going to be added to your cocoa powder and butter mixture. Okay, and what do we add next?
We are going to add 2 cups of brown sugar.
Okay, go ahead, add that.
Boy!
Alright. Alright, what's next?
We are going to add 2 cups of white sugar.
Okay. Alright, and what comes after the white sugar?
We are going to put in 2 tablespoons of pure vanilla extract.
Okay. So that's 1. Good job. 2, careful. Good job.
Next, you're going to take your cocoa mixture and fold it into 2 cups of flour.
Alright, you want to be careful not to overmix your brownie batter.
It does smell good.
Does it?
It smells like chocolate, brownies, and ice cream.
Chocolate brownies and ice cream, huh?
The flour kind of helps with the smell.
Oop, sorry.
It's okay. After you've finished folding your cocoa mixture into the flour, you're going to line a 13 by 9 baking pan with aluminum foil, spray with cooking spray, put your brownie mixture in, bake it to 40 to 45 minutes, and bake it at 350 degrees in your oven.
As you can see, here are our baked finished brownies.
I love the smell of warm chocolate.
Thank you so much for joining us. We hope to see you again next time.
Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Bye!
Bye.